Hello, I'm in a 2010 Subaru Forester, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, I'll just go down, and there should be a lever right behind this with a little bit of tension that you'll pull, and usually here's some kind of little pop. So it's now unlatched. And so you can see behind this, if you're having issues up here, there's a cable there that has some tension. If that cable's not connected for some reason or incredibly loose, you probably need to go back in here and reconnect it and tighten it however you can. But yeah, once that's pulled, we'll go up to the front. Most vehicles, right around the middle, you'll find a lever here, which is right here. So we're going to push and pull up, push and pull up. And unfortunately this has these little hydraulics to hold it up. But this is what was hooked on by this. And there's that lever we just pushed. If this isn't working right, usually maybe some WD-40, something's maybe a little off alignment you need to readjust. Worst case scenario, all these parts aren't that expensive to replace if needed. That's it. I hope this video was helpful and hope you have a great day.